I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on desktop. First, navigate to the official Roblox website using your preferred web browser. Locate the prominent download button, usually found on the home page or after attempting to join a game. Click this button to begin downloading the Roblox Player installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the application onto your computer. This process typically takes just a few moments. After installation, launch the Roblox application from your desktop. If you're new to Roblox, you'll need to create an account by providing a username, password, and birthdate. Ensure your password is strong and memorable. For existing players, simply enter your registered username and password into the login fields. Double-check your credentials before clicking the Login button to access your personalized Roblox experience. It's a quick and easy step to get you into the action. With your account ready, you'll land on the Roblox home screen, which showcases a vast array of games. You can explore popular titles, trending experiences, or use the search bar at the top to find something specific. Games are categorized, making discovery simple. Once you find a game that sparks your interest, click on its thumbnail. A new page will open, providing details about the game. To jump in, simply click the large green play button, and the game will begin loading. Once you've joined a game, it's time to explore. Most Roblox games use standard desktop controls. The W, A, S, D keys for movement, the spacebar to jump, and your mouse to control the camera and interact with objects. Left-clicking often performs actions like picking up items or attacking. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with the specific game's interface and any unique controls it might have. Many games also offer in-game tutorials to help you get started quickly and enjoy your adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.